long time ago, longer now than it seems, in a place that perhaps you've seen in your dreams. For the story that you are about to be told began with the holiday worlds of old. I know you're curious to see what's inside. It's what happens when two holidays collide. Was the nightmare before Christmas and all through the house. Not a creature was peaceful, none of mouse. The stockings all hung by the chimney with care, when open that morning would cause such a scare. The children, nestled all snug in their beds, would have nightmares of monsters and skeleton heads. Don't pull down the bar. It will float down with ease. And keep a close watch on all children, please. All good ghouls and boys must sit safe in their seats. Keep in their sleigh all hands, arms, legs, or feet. Seguidas a tus niños, todo marchará feliz. Los fantasmitos y fantasmitas deben quedarse en su asiento. Y en el cochecito mantener brazos, manos, piernas y pies adentro. Was unlike no other, so bring out the bells, then more cheer to uncover.
And teens, small secrets yet to share. On the 9th day of Christmas, my ghoul love gave to me 9 magic crystals that sparkle with a force that is pure. 8 balls of knowledge that answer with a truth that is sure. 7 pearls of wisdom to keep my love bewitched to me.
With some treats and some games, you can make a scene merry. Why, even a gingerbread house could see a stay. sprung on his way. It was strange and bizarre. On the attack.
It's Christmas time! Welcome to my
Thank you, Santa Claus, for bringing your cheer. Please hurry back. We can't wait till next year.